Real estate term of the day, contract for deed. A contract for deed is also known as a land contract, very popular in the year 2025. This is an installment sale agreement. What does this mean? The buyer pays a certain amount, usually between the sales price and whatever the owner owes on the property. Let's say the sales price is 500,000 and the loan is 300,000. The buyer pays 200,000. The buyer gets equitable title and also gets possession. The buyer needs to go and record those $200,000 as a lien on the property to protect himself, and then the buyer will continue paying the mortgage. This is done for a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's 5 years, sometimes it's 10 years, sometimes it's for the remaining part of the loan. There has to be an interest on the seller's side. Usually they pay a little more than the mortgage, so the seller makes money. Now, this is not an equity interest only loan. No, they're paying the seller's mortgage. Now, why would a buyer want to do this? Well, there's buyers out there that have bad credit or they don't have the income that they need to be able to purchase a house, but they do have the down payment and they can make the monthly payment somehow. This is becoming very popular, especially for loans that were taken out in 2020, 21, 22, and even 23. When people took out loans as low as 2.75% all the way to 4.5%, the buyer is very interested in taking over that mortgage. Now, if it's an assumable mortgage, that's a totally different scenario. But if it's a contract for deed, which means that the loan cannot be assumed, then title cannot be transferred because once title transfers to the buyer, what happens? You have a due on sale clause and that mortgage must be paid. So everything remains under the seller's name. It's just a creative way of buying a house and nothing else. Contract for deed. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested in setting up a one-on-one tutoring session with me for the state sales agent or the broker's test, please go ahead and select a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.